apple, red and sweet. A is for ant, marching in the heat. B is for ball, bouncing so high. B is for bird, flying